Yes. It has a big tail. Can you throw the ball for the doggy? Throw it far away. Go, doggy, go. You want... Sit, doggy, sit. 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 You did it. What is the doggy's name? Fly. You want to play with the doggy? Where's... The doggy is black. You want to throw the ball for the doggy again? Where's the ball, doggy? Where's the ball? Go far away. Wow. Can you say sit? Sit. You did it. You want to throw a ball again? Pick up the ball. Far away. Yes, sit, doggy. Can you say sit, doggy?
Sit, doggy.
Sit.
Sit.
He wants you to throw away the ball again.
Where's the ball?
Here's the ball. You see where the ball is? Far away. Yes. He wants to play with the ball. Sit. You did it. That's a very good doggy.
You're on the tummy.
He's sitting on his tummy. Maybe he wants to lie down.
No.
Maybe he wants to play with the ball. He wants to play with the ball? You want to throw away the ball again? Far away. Wow. Sit. You did it. You want to throw away the ball again or not anymore? Not anymore. Just want to pet the doggy. Can you say good doggy?
Good doggy.
Dog.
It's doggy eye.
Yes. What color is the doggy's eye?
Green.
It's brown. Did you show Guy on your bed?
Also fly.
You want to show Fly?
Yes.
Fly wants to play with the ball. Can you throw away the ball? Yes. Where's the ball? Sit. Do you want to hug the doggy? Good doggy. Oh, doggy's licking Abigail.
It's his Abigail.
He loves Abigail.
Doggy teeth.
Has big teeth? Doggy has a very big teeth. Do you have teeth?
A doggy cold.
You think the dog is cold? Are you cold?
No, far away.
Far away. Wow.
Sit, doggy.
Come here, say sit, doggy.
Sit, doggy. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit.
Very good, you did it. You did it? You're playing with a doggy.
A doggy, big boy.
Doggy's a big boy.
Want to find a new bag?
No.